How to add multiple accounts to your TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add multiple accounts in TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application, then tap on profile. This is my profile. My name is How to Media in this TikTok. Tap on How to Media up there. And there is option, the second option, which is add account, and you can add account by use phone or email. I'll continue with Facebook, Google or Twitter. You choose, or you can log out your profile and add another account. And there is another way. Tap on those three buttons up there. Tap on setting and privacy. Now the second before the last options, tap on switch account, not log out, switch account. Now you can add account again. And this is it. This is how you add multiple accounts to your TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.